Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Cadiz Fabric Manager Chair. Features: the attractive stitching detail complements the comfortable padded seat and backrest. The Cadiz is fitted with a lockable reclining tilt mechanism. By pressing the lever in, you can lock the seat in the upright position, pull it out again, and the seat will recline freely. The tension control can be adjusted to suit the user's body weight. The gas seat height adjustment can be used to suit the user's height. A matching visitor chair is available, and the chair is also available with a chrome base. The Cadiz Manager Chair is available in 3 fabric colours or in black leather. A TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Fire retardant to BS 5852. Offered with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Incredible value from our best-selling range. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.